Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. So guys, previously we discussed about SEO on page complete information. What is SEO on page? Title, description, keyword, and alt tag, header tag, canonical, everything we can check. So any new website, this is a Myra indoor swimming pool. There is located by the Manikonda location. Who are looking for swimming, we can go to join for this location here. In this website, how we can promote it from different places. So first of all, we can take a note down the places where exactly our places are there. So how we can promoting that all will be very important. In this will be promotion purpose. We have to writing for services will be different locations. Which location will be promoting. So that will be help that your structure will be help when people will be searching for your particular location. So it will be show your website will be Google position purpose. So this all will be we can give by a particular option. So here. So that all will be very important. So in this purpose, we have to promote will be here in a particular website is called SEO on page is the most important. So in this one, first of all, we can go to blog option. First prepare your content and you can depend on your particular. So I can prepare content here, depend on location. I can prepare content. In this first option, your structure, meta title, description, keyword. First. So same your structure I'm created here will be option name is admin panel. This is your structure purpose. The first item will be your structure. Second will be content. Where is the content page? Locations here. Next, SEO title. Anything check in Google, how people will be searching these keywords. You can check from here. These are options. Here is this called. Copy this location. Paste it on your meta description and the meta title. Now choose your image. Image where exactly you will be designed. You can go to that image and select it. And your title and image will be both are same names. What is the title will be mentioned? Same name will be mentioned for the image name. That is called, this is called your title. This is for your particular description, SEO title, description, keyword. In this majorly, each image we can add it here. This will be a particular image name we can show on the particular alt tag. That is the image alt tag. Next will be what are the options are here. That is called heading H1, H2, H3, H4, everything. We can say for developers in the admin panel, which I'm writing here, that is we can show on your H1 tag. Simple. Here is the using Tellapur. Control U, Control F. H1 tag. So indoor swimming pool in Tellapur. So the same one is using for the H1 tag. Same like that, indoor swimming pool in Gandipet. This will be given by the indexing purpose. Now click for posting this. After posting this option, click for services. We have to check for one by one option. First of all, Control U is a paid source. Control U nothing but paid source. This will be SEO title. This will be description keyword. And OG title description keyword is majorly when you are sharing for social media purpose. Without OG title, when you're placing sharing for social media, they can't show the proper title. So that is called compulsory we can using for OG title option. Next one is called Each image we can use for alt tag option. We can using for alt tag. So here is the option. We can check. So in it is your canonical URL properly done by canonical URL. Next one, Control F, Alt is equal to indoor semicolon Gandhi. See this one. What are the name we are same will be name using for alt tag option. So easily when people search this option in your particular image, we can crawl on the Google Search Console option in image tab. So that is here is a previous I'm added here. Now this one is that. So this all option will be given by the in a particular alt tag. So that is the major impact one. URL structure. So already URL structure what are title given? Indoor semicolon Gandhi page. Next will be SEO title will be given description keyword. Alt tag will be specified image name header tag. Header tag will be Control F H1 tag. Indoor semicolon Gandhi. What are the name you mentioned? What is the highlight keyword that will be mentioned by the header tag? Header tag mainly focused by the users that will be at least on H1 tag. That is a using header tag increase the importance of the word Google crawl when read our page. It highly concentrate. So that is called this is a major important anchor text. Here anchor text where I'm using for anchor text here. So we'll come into this line. So we can related post will be here. In this content, I can show my timings or any kind of book now or our location. These all will be shown to the particular customer. This all will be anchored link. So when people will be click, they go to your Google Maps. This will be clicked for here. They will be called book now option. So they can go to here and book the slot will be here. So this all option will be given by who? Anchor text option. Here is a book here. When they go to the contact us page. These are very important for the particular option. Canonical URL. Same web page. We can using for canonical URL, nothing but this content owner is belongs to for this particular URL. This is called content ownership. This will be called content ownership. So this will be given by the canonical. Next one is the very important one is called, we can add your robo.txt file or XML sitemap. We can generate and upload by the website. How we can generate XML sitemaps? Home page. Select it, more option, last page modification, automatic log page priority, page change frequency, always click for start. Download XML sitemap, upload by your particular website. Any new link is updated, immediately we can download, upload by the cPanel option. That all video will be available into the my particular YouTube channel. So on page is more important. How we can add a robo.txt file also. Anything allow search engine, any link is not allowed for search engine. That all will be condition will be writing for where robos.txt file. So that is very much of important for each and every website. Allow and diesel option. So this is carefully use this option and promote the particular things. If any particular doubt about SEO on page, the major one, first these options are important. URL structure, meta title, means SEO title, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, anchor text, canonical form, robo.txt, XML, sitemap. These are the terms we have first of all update by the SEO on page. Next one, we can Google search crawling purpose, we can update here and we can check the report will be in Google Analytics option. So remaining is there lot of questions are when you is using for 301, 302, 403, 404. It is when it is useful, when you can redirect one page to another page. So that all will be held by the in a particular option that will be using for 301 and 302 redirection. So 403 will be content will be not found. 402 will be different. So these all option we can categorize on your particular option will be choose on the SEO on page purpose. So these are the very important SEO on page. So that will be most affected by the into the search engine purpose we can using for on page option. Any query about SEO on page, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how we can writing SEO on page and how will be people will be searching this one. So always remember people how will be searching. We can check Riskal, swimming pool in Gandhipet and swimming pool classes in Gandhipet. So what are the people will be searching? Indoor swimming pool will be here. So there will be top swimming pool. Anything will be common will be keyword will be used on the SEO title and description purpose. So these are most important for your particular websites and promoting purpose. If any query, you can ask me to my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.